yeah. Oh, 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 soon me fear. Asasi suha, ara honkuwa, soon me fear. Niyara, echa mi muweshia. Oh, soon ni Yada champion band ase say enen nwumre so omoka ye ho na omo ehye yen infidie ne maye no mama yen enyom dedede ede ahyase ye mama kwa babio ede ba Ghana Got Talent 2020 edition no ene eye second week na dwumede yi mu no wonum a waso ya sene aye de brewo eye Champion Training Institute or say wo pe biogas biodigester car tracking CCTV installation so opening nyina bi na ba makachia wo benya bi omo wo adehia market and omo branch ba ko enso e wo patase afei so obetumi afre wo mo e wo 0244 568 912 0244 968 568 912 wo frɛ wo mo a wo benya wo nom afei so na Kiuski Massage and Wellness Center ono so se bra so baby ena yetitriti waposo ena ye wo ya wo sisi ena ye wo ya wo jonku wo chepe baby bia ye wo ya bia wo de bra omo de wo to form omo ye officio omo massage na wo ho aya wo kama na wo ho atɔ omo so be hu omo e wo patase depot Ejuniasi Road ufiri omo so ana okɔ ambassadors asɔre no ɛhɔ ɛna omo wɔ wonum nso wobetumi enya omo ahomabɔfo yi so 0242 932 000 0242 932 000 afe enanwumrei wonum a omo bɔ yɛn fidie no ama yɛn ɛyɛ champion band omo nso ɛwɔ ha afe yɛ media partners ɛyɛ Kumawu TV ya ye diemo and afe so Bright TV or Stay Joyful omo ɛna omo yɛ media partners na nwumre wo hwɛmia ɛyɛ Kumawu TV live ɛna wo hwɛme no ukɔ YouTube a ubenya yɛn ɛwɔ Samdakus TV ohwɛ Samdakus so search a ɛyɛ SAMDACKUS TV ɛhɔ ɛna ubenya yɛn live ɛwɔ YouTube afe so Ghana Got Talent ɛwɔ YouTube ɛhɔ nso ubenya yɛn yɛ social media handles nso Kumawu TV ɛhɔ nso kɔ Facebook ye page na live ubenya yɛn ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna nwumre we num na aso ya sene de dwumade no ɛbrɛ ye se Ghana Got Talent your talent will be discovered ye twa yɛn ho aba na ye ba ye bɛto dwumade no ɛso. edeba Ghana Got Talent dwumadie no eso dwumadie na ne yeto aso no mekai wo so wo hweme a eye Kumawu TV na wo hweme efri no na enei sede na wo twetwa mu ye no no saa na eguso a ye no contestants no oma ye ready no mo so mo be deliver na enanwumre no sa wo hweme atena se na dwodwo ho if the talents no they say no oma train you mo ho ye nya asem keto a na dwumadie no so emu den na ene judges aye ne omo edi dwuma no eye Mustafa Isa Zeba oye head of cultural department cultural center oye head of the performing department cultural center Kumase oye mfinfin edin adodo na ade nim no Alhaj MI eno na yede enim no afei so Erica Frempong ha ono so free Champion Training Institute oye director ho omo maka no ba ye beda wonum edi atre na ye go so ye to adwumade no so me ya me di dwumade mo chia me dia ne ka akire kwa me bafo na wo hwe ye Kumawu TV ye di dwumade no ehhye so na ye nche ho no ye be frɛ ogudifo odi nkan contestants no ye odi nkan a oba be hye ase ama ye no ye beto nsa afrɛ no inti ye be frɛ Lee ama no abas no na answer na no yen hwe ni profile
Got talent.
Me call mo for jaso. Bantama for. Adam kwa me esanso for. Mo amuni abali enie. Me kan Ghana Got Talent dwumadi aye ba bedie ni. Na sese ya dwumadie no eye vote ne de koye ni mo wate ase. Enti se wan go to amame a me ni hwe eye wo ade no. Enti de me so nyina ne se to Google Play Store na download Ghana Got Talent app no. O download wi a hwehwe Lee edini ye LIEE Lee na vote dodo bia obe vote bia vote mame na hunu se vote no se na mama ka akansie no wote ase enti no hwe na vote mame na mentime enko manim ewo Ghana Got Talent dwumadie no hwe me memenda wei ene memenda bia a ebebe bia ewo Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent wote ase mame tu ho.
Got talent.
Me call mo for jazz.
Abba, I woke up this morning. Last man, no sleep on the honey. Hey, what is good about this morning? Hey, life no be fair. I know they say me, I know way. You cannot complain. System has so many day. No, you won't flop we. Oh, guess they hustle. No, my boy left me. You still there here. No, go down low. I see the dance make you go down low. Forget your worries and go down low. Clap and tap your feet, go low. Yeah, come on, got it, got it. Come on, got it, got it, got it. Come on, frustration and depression. Come on, got it, got it. Come on, got it, got it. Come on, got it. To my girls with my slappies, when they hustle for the money, oh. Keep your head up and don't cry. Baby girl, don't worry, oh. Black woman on the street, how do I make it to this hit? It be like history, one repeat. Cause mama today on the street, yeah. Monday to Sunday, we work hard but food in no day. Same thing but different day. We work hard but water no day. No yawa, they want flop we. No yawa, girls they hustle. No yawa, my boy left me. No yawa, you still there here. No yawa, go down low. I see the dance make you go down low. Forget your worries and go down low. Clap and tap your feet go low. Yeah, come on, got it, got it. Come on, got it, got it. Come on, got it, got it. Come on, frustration and depression. Come on, got it, got it. Come on, got it. Come on, go down low. I see the dance make you go down low. Forget your worries and go down low. Clap and tap your feet go low. Yeah, come on, got it.
That was a wonderful performance from Lee. Your judges no abe joining. Inti ye be you wonum nyinara atre. Ye wo Nana Boatema or Nakuski Massage and Wellness Center Waba and our face so Reverend Dr. Isaac Asumedru on also Institute on also Ababedru Yen Judges see and I enumerate for my edin kind Eda or Modino wonum na enumerate and no more Edi Juma na judges Yamwakwaba where yam running yan said that your introduction be a science no you better leave performance na mamona mwashadie let's see.
Yes, thank you, Lee. Today your energy level is higher than last week, and you did well. But initially, because you've been doing gospel, each genre of music that you move into, go with that swag. Initially, now we are more of gospel musician performance, but later you picked up. You say, oh yeah, are there any gospel? Let's feel it, okay? But no, why are there?
Okay, thanks to MI for the comments. Lee, you can wait for a backstage. Yet, what you made a Ghana Got Talent 2020, where your talent will be discovered. And no, and you may go so a year to us. No, now you better the next contestant needing at the dance right. Yen Shani profile.
Got talent.
Fight. I will always treat you right, so be my ride or die. Hello Ghana, it's your boy, Dam's Right, and I'm part of Kumau TV Ghana Got Talent 2020. What's my mom Niaji? I want you to download the Ghana Got Talent 2020 app on Google Play Store. Go download it via search Dam's Right. Vote as many times as you can. Tomame, that means stay in the competition. We are bringing you the best, and I promise to bring you the best. Watch me on Kumau TV this and every Saturday. Ghana Got Talent 2020. Le, 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 le.
Got talent.
Fight. I will always treat you right, so be my ride or die. Hello Ghana, it's your boy, Dam's Right, and I'm part of Kumau TV Ghana Got Talent 2020. What's my mom Niaji? I want you to download the Ghana Got Talent 2020 app on Google Play Store. Go download it via search Dam's Right. Vote as many times as you can. Tomame, that means stay in the competition. We are bringing you the best, and I promise to bring you the best. Watch me on Kumau TV. Obi Sianue, Maya now, too. I know you about to say, now I'm sure when you are more, I know the money I reach it. Me who and me who tell me, how do you? Made up for power, made up for power, made up for power.
A wonderful performance from Dance Right. That was nice. And let's go to the judges. Reverend Isaac.
Wow, that's right. I've seen this week here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, that was a performance from Dance Right. And I feel so, young judges no aka ho asem. Me ankasa me testify. You heard last week, need this week, dear, not just say. Composition ni mo emu tough. That's right. But me acha your backstage. Now you try to make so me kai will say. So wo fear na sa wonya kuma wood TV. Wo fro obi no se kuma wood TV no onya. Obetumi ahya yen e wo YouTube. Samdakus TV. Samdakus TV. SAMDACKUS TV. Samdakus TV. Obetumi ahya yen e wo YouTube. Ghana Got Talent so you live e wo YouTube. Afei so betumi follow yen e wo Facebook. Kumawood TV, a honso ubenya live ewo ho. Ye go so ye to adwumade ne so. Ne next contestant no of your cry. Ni din at the AD boy. AD boy. Yen hwe ne profile. Na o me perform me.
Got talent.
Yeah. It's AD boy. It's here for we munia AD boy. Moba AD boy. I'll be to me friend Douglas Amanfo. Pamucho where Kumawood Ghana Got Talent season 1. The person mama make a competition you. It me say also person will go to mamia download the Ghana Got Talent app no. Or Google Play Store. Now what's search for me din Douglas Amanfo AD boy. Now wait me about to amame. Shall me remember that way any memory that be a Kumawood TV Ghana Got Talent season 1. Madam
Got talent.
Yeah. It's AD boy. It's here for we munia AD boy. Moba AD boy. I'll be to me friend Douglas Amanfo. Pamucho where Kumawood Ghana Got Talent season 1. The person mama make a competition.
The money.
It me say also person will go.
Buy something for your baby. Make a fight for the money. Yeah. No be so they go call you monkey. We go feel okay. We go do that day. We go work so say. We go win all day. We go feel okay. We go do that day. We go work so say. We go win all day. Tell everybody sing, sing, sing.
Yeah, man, now.
Tell everybody want to mom, yeah.
Yeah, man, now.
Tell everybody sing, sing, sing. To be
Yeah, man, now.
tell everybody want to mom, yeah.
Yeah, man, now.
See you, see with a hustle, cause we can't even say, we go be your be. Some of you and I go be anybody. See, can go be a somebody. Me and my boys go kill them, sha. Some in your cash out party, but if I get money, I will sort you out. My fun is a bro, nyaba. So if you wish me fire, they wish you well. I give you all to Baba. Cause me, I no go fight Apakat, Banabas, Palakas, Master Life, no be easy, dirty waves. I got that dreaming, my money, and Toliban Kunija, in a medin kuni. To be a man, no. To be a man, no. To be a man, no. Now, wow, tell you, sing. Tell everybody, want to mom, yeah. Tell everybody, sing. Tell everybody, want to mom, yeah. We go feel okay. We go do that day. We go back so say. We go win all Mumamio, Mumamio. Cause me, I don't go fight uppercut, man of us, Malakas, master life, no be easy, dirty waves, that got dreaming my money, and Toliban Kuni, Namedin Kuni. To be a man, no, to be a man, no, to be a man, no. Now, sharp.
Eddie boy, this Moko Beniana. Hey, I said more house of plus me. Hey, judges, Erica.
Where are you?
It has.
May I power surprise you? I think that you are now in the school. And you keep on kicking on.
It has.
Am I?
Yes, Eddie boy. You dear fan? You dear fan?
Yes, please.
On the patwa.
Patrol.
Oh, okay. I like your performance this evening.
Thank you.
And I see someone I don't know say inspiration to you. This guy Article 1.
Yeah.
Me who has Article 1 and I like it when you are on stage and you want energy from the audience. You create it and give it to us.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there you're able to create the energy. You did so be a one here. The energy. Keep it up.
Okay, so that was AD Boy. AD Boy. You go see a 12 median so na me Kai will say, Woman Maso Yasne a Champion Training Institute and an Akuski Massage and Wellness Center. Yabeko Akoshe your next contestant. Na and then you know. Measure so Mako Benin, or Munko Benin or Muko Hebrews. Intino, yeah, Twaso, Yabeton Sa Afre Alomo, all the way from the Buno Half region. Alomo, young Correct profile.
Got talent. Kasahalimu wabemfo. Rap Muhusana. ALOMO. Alomo. Kumawu TV. Ghana Got Talent. Ashefu amoshemi. Mechire Ghana mine. Ewiase nyina obi bia wo hwe Kumawu TV. Mesrew. Ade ba ko pena mi hia efiri ho. Ene wo vote. De hia se wo bekọ Google Play Store. Na wa download Ghana Got Talent application no. Na wa vote wa mame. Nembom ka ehunu se Jumadi we. Ekoso mi menda we. Ene mi menda bia. Thank you. Got talent. Fe. Kasahalimu wabemfo. Rap Muhusana. ALO. Fe. Kasahalimu wabemfo. Rap Muhusana. ALOMO. Alomo. Rap na yanko. Bra rapper. Rap na yanko. Ya penitentem rap na yanko. Rap na yanko. Rap na yanko on the mic. Aden. Ufi se mic do phone na say ho na yanko. Bra rapper say ho na yanko. Ya penitentem say ho na yanko. Say ho na yanko. Say ho na yanko on the mic. Aden. Ufi se mic do phone na say tie. Now, me a German back. Kasahalimu wabemfo. What to say me jina say ya shemi ya hinte. Rap we a football and me chain Ghana Messi. A chumpom fan ho. Me de Kasahali be ya ma be na line na matuni tonga. Minti asimpu ma be na ho efe. When it's if it asempu anu awia. Na num ne bomba so mi kudam. Rap uru sana. I be the one entertainment team and no want to meet a train tampi a jammy e mi taste. Obi di agwa be shefa na obi be kele kwasi ya be ye gay because oni atinka o fi di se nyame bu atenka atinka. Atinka be yira atinka. Muma me kwana fati ya fata nkonoma. Dorobo ma ye wani atin aje the one to na ne so obeka se woni atinka. Get atin bi ya mensa to no so ne papa di atanga. Do na lunsuo time. 10 times so what I live aje the washing powder na aje the one fe. Wodi trimu de be di wada be ye nen nine. Rap ne me time. Me say me time. Ya puno te time. Tell it. Now, me rap here kasi se Caracas Barry se bento a time 17 time. Uka inja to the doma. Asofo mposiro na akonfo. Me di Jimmy. Bye. Asa woni ba bi am fele ya de anwumre 6:30. Pe na behwe night club onti na fie na watie news. Ensi dan na wahu aduane yempo tumi die mu 3 times in a day. Wo behwe na waje ni day. Abom 2. Abomination by no remedy. Chedabo mu ahia sinso no be mandi. 2020, me know me a new year, say, hon, me say unique, say, be the first time 2015, I'm to 15 guests. I must say, see a rappers in Philippa, send my baby down, Bugasian rap. A time who knew, who's a kambu name, but our Joe. You go through rap and the yard, match at the Yamina, the don't make me new beer and the muchim pet, 2 canoe, now bet me the near rap and I am caught. Rapper, rap and I am caught. You been intentem rap na yanko rap na yanko on the mic ade ufi se mic do for na say ho na yanko bra rapper na kasa halimu obemfo
Alombo
ELO
rap Mozana. Me see this week dear baby amokoye de amokoye pa aha nti ye go so ye Alomo ena a performing awie no na yanko judges ne ho Reverend.
Alomo, Okwada. Hey! Oh, bro, I have 4 boys and 7 mouths. And then, mom, dear. Okay, what surprise me, mom? Why are dear? It's a bit dear, but to me, dear, Mambuza.
Yes.
Nana what's ma?
Yeah, Alomo.
Madam.
And then why are dear? Everything was on point. Oh, rap, but yet see the opening. And now say, I shall only know one, never until news are own who never know. The news, you know, yet never know. Okay, kudos.
Okay, so that was the wonderful performance from Alomo. If you want to keep Alomo in the competition, kindly take your phones and go to the Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent application. You'll find his picture there, and then you tap on the vote. Vote as much as you can. Do be able to me vote, be able to so be vote. If it's say, you know, they are depending on your votes. Last week, no man, this week, the man show most up Munsio. Or when you they are winning. It's offer phone now. Look Google Play Store. No one download the Ghana Got Talent application. No, or download ya. Ubehune woho. Na wa vote amano. Ye twaso na ye fre Makati Junior. Ono na odi ho.
Up the west I went, down with the park I rode. Up for the sack and you know that deserve it. Half a half for speak the person. Preacher man say, please remember that the service on the way. I say remember when the teacher man say, I wouldn't make it but I made it anyway. I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now everything's amazing. Steady dropping the loco. Them are taking my photo. I remember them were telling me no. Right now everything's global. Steady driving the loco. Them are taking my photo. I pull it level for a fair. I keep it praising much that I put it back. I got boxing or the boss that I couldn't check. And God came through for me. What you looking at? I'm building a legacy out of hobby. I never just a dream I'm designing. Big grip, we had a cool on the lobby. While I was broken here, what they found me. Head is what they found me. I'm past that I make. Fed, my head is all blessed. Fake, fact. My family's so happy. I'm great. Test. And all things I say, I all nick. Fed. I hope I get a meet. My mother, when I'm going just to talk about my life. But the head is wrong. I'm saying what the first was the time I get it wrong. I had nobody to talk, so I say it. What I do is go up with the west side way. Down with the park I roll. Up with the sack and you know that deserve it. Half and half for speak the best. Say, preacher man say, please remember that the service on the way. I say, remember when the teacher man say, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway. I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now everything's amazing. Steady driving the loco. Them are taking my photo. I remember them telling me no. Right now everything global. Steady driving the loco. Them are taking my photo. In a weather, in a summer. Chance of our money make a way no bother. Every day we pray for long life. Give thanks, feature for more life. Yeah. In a weather, in a summer. So killer we put them in a coma. Every day we pray for long life. Give thanks, feature for more life. Yeah. For my pussy piece all day. I be telling you time all day. And that's why me do my way.
So bad man, do your way. For my pussy kissing all day. I be telling the time all day. That's why me do my way. So bad man, do your way. I put the west side work. Down with the park I roll. I put the sack and you know that deserve me. Help us make the person. Preacher man say, please remember that to save us on the way. I still remember when the teacher man say, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway.
Makati Junior. No, cause I'm said you're two in a man. Man, no matter for doing intimante. Say a brofo. I'm fabro for doing intimante. Intimate my judges, no, am I? Meaning, Mr. Masu, you're the anybody.
Yeah, Makati. Just like he said, it was difficult to get what you were saying. You were rapping though, but you should consider the market, the environment within which you are performing. Oh, Tunyumwe, I'm a Ghana for. So it should be something they can relate to, they can understand. So, or rap on Okasa winter and summer. In Ghana, we don't have winter and summer. Until can winter and summer, we don't know what you are talking about. Okay. Thank you, sir. It's a top brand a pebble crowd. We will understand. But winter and summer, so we didn't hear what you were saying.
Thank you.
You wanted to give us hardcore rap. Hardcore rap. Your Ghanaians or mere hardcore rap. But I'll tell you, I know that we didn't meet the all can say. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So next time, be mindful of it.
Thank you, sir.
Next year, time in so crack.
Okay, sir.
Now, go on and off. I say, doom so be actual.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Reverend.
Makati.
sir.
And then me why are there, Papa?
Thank you, sir.
Compare and net to last week, yeah. Oh, Makati,
Amen.
Why? Why are there?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so that was the comments from the judges. Yet twaso dwumadie no yeguso yet twaso na said me kan ye no and obia lazy ni boot to aboa no ho say said enano no ba no man sa o ma ba no sa arenade nti ye hye the contestants no e wo ma ye twaso ani ye call Accra we Zara ye hye ni profile.
You take my heart, make it carry go. Tell them, girl, let me carry go. Oh, yeah. I want to feel it to my belly, yo. If it's be, yo, it's your girl Zara Santua Osu. You can call me Zara. I'm in a competition running Ghana Got Talent. Before you go, you have to download the app and Google Play Store. Ghana Got Talent. Please vote for me. Thank you.
was a wonderful performance from Zara. Now to my judges, Nana Boatma.
Nana Boatma, make us Nana Boatma. Zara, right? Yes, please. Wow. Okofa energy ni free. Why are dear Zara? I hope say who say and this week, you know, the way I'm Musifa a pejano. Sana Mobekono. Mama 5 what it. But why are dear?
Am I?
Yes, Zara, last week you did well. Your performance, I acknowledge there. Oh yeah, dear pa. Nenso, why are dear? You have some element air powerful ma. You have your voice. You can modulate. You are always in key. Key now you don't go on and off. Oh yeah, dear. You can dance. But next time make use of the stage kakrahu. They move around. They say, oh nyare na ujina fako. But I know you did well, okay? Yes.
So that was Zara from the Greater Accra region. If you want to keep Zara in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application and vote for Zara. Vote for her to keep her in the competition. Inti Yatwaso, our next contestant, Ezekiel. Yenshani profile.
Ghana for easy. Me wo Ghana Got Talent to Medi. Me say, would you vote every time? Now we call Google Play Store. No download the Ghana Got Talent application. No vote to dear mommy. Saturday be a yahame. Ewo kuma wuti. Na me be sure. Yes, I for boy me. Na me intimi ningunim. Ewo jumedi. Na me sure. Ghana for. Yakera Tanjine weno want to balaga no don't laga Tanchim Yakera Yazangin Kerry Yakera Tanjine weno Ose one pewo sano binsipo Tanchim Yakera Yazangin Kerry Yakera Tanjine weno want to balaga no don't laga Tanchim Yakera Yazangin Kerry Yakera Tanchine weno Ose one pewo sano binsipo He was Mura Love and caring. You don't know what happened. Love turned into hatred. You wish you have never met the person. Then there will be no need to impress, no need to want, no need for loving, no need for crying over, no need for heartbreaks, no need for pain and tears, no need for crying yourself to sleep in the night. Tanchim Yazangin Kerry Tanchim weno want to balaga no don't laga Tanchim Yazangin Kerry Tanchim weno Ose one pewo sano binsipo Tanchim Yazangin Kerry Tanchim weno want to balaga no don't laga Tanchim Yazangin Kerry Tanchim weno Ose one pewo sano binsipo and yes when you didn't know wusuno what say me eh ya wakuma with your man into na wusuno Kafo Tanchim Yazangin Kerry Tanchine weno Ose one pewo sano binsipo Yinza tankeri yakera kam Borona piku don't puri Na tegen danta jiti na wena tutumba wankukoloki Ogomba lagamo Ojere na durumana Wontuma pamu iwudongo Iwudongo mumpano wudong Yo walare Tanchine weno
Nice performance from Izzy. Izzy.
Master.
Asamo, Janche, and I just anakano.
Tanchim.
Tanchim.
Yes.
That's all. Am I?
Yes, you've really done well. You see the power of music. Music is a universal language. What language was that? The song?
Kasim.
Kasim.
Yes, sir.
We don't understand Kasim, but we enjoyed it.
Yes,
We realized it was motivational.
yes,
And I was sitting here dancing and enjoying. Though I didn't understand, but I realized it was motivational because you did it very well.
yes.
Okay? When you write well and you sing it well, regardless of wherever you are singing, you will open to America. Americans will be sitting down dancing. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
So do it and do it very well. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Madam,
Very good performance. That's what I would say.
thank you.
Nah, like I said, you know, of course. If you say, oh, and so I did, Ghana got talent. And now, yeah. Massage and show. So the obey to me after. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was easy. Easy for you. If you want to keep easy in the competition, kindly download the Ghana Got Talent application. Ne vote man or download the application na no abomodian vote man said the beya or beka dwumadie emo. Yet so the next contestant is King of Beats. King of Beats. King of Beats. King of Beats. Abrante way. Enye easy. King of Beats. Unim. Nyore na no de no. Anu beat pa na watma.
King of Beats. Wow. Amazing. I'm short of words. Thumbs up, dear.
Yes,
Am I?
King of Beat, I can say that King of Beat is trending.
Oh yes.
He is very good. Last week, someone called me and said, who is that guy? He was performing, am I sure? Or something I'm in studio, men confirm, say, yes, sound be no mobile. That means you are doing very good. And very soon, we will just need you. We don't need a studio. Then you make music for us. Okay. All
So
the best.
that was King of Beats.
Yeah. And now, dear, my best, I'm a catcher in your hand. Say, they bomb pie said, now be my favorite contestant. No matter what. What? They bomb pie so about Bacano. And sound when I never what dear.
Pacho,
You are good.
thank you.
So a big round of applause for King of Beats. If you want to keep King of Beats in the competition, kindly take your phones, go to the Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote for him. Dodo abetumia vote biya, but more than a vote. Na King of Beats enka jumedye emo na ya judgment den so ansa ne yebeto aso no ye ntwa ye ho kakra enje aboafo nkrato ye besan aba. Emma Wakwaba Bio at the back Ghana Got Talent 2020 so we a maiden edition na second week and Augustua wo shame na Jumedie wo share your live o Kumawood TV sa won unya Kumawood TV so abetumi ahwe e Sam Dakus TV e YouTube Sam Dakus TV and Ghana Got Talent e YouTube afen so ba Facebook a ubenya Ghana Got Talent page na so afen so benya na Kumawood TV a page na so nti ya to Jumedie na so na de wodi ho no ni din ene Mickey Nash Boy or performing I Will Be Fine by Fireboy. Yan share the profile.
Got talent. I got to tell you something. I got to show you something, yeah, baby. I got to tell you something. I got to show you something, no, baby. Hello Ghana, this is your boy Mickey Nash Boy. Me I'm doing the show, but the stage name is Mickey Nash Boy. Kumawood TV, Ghana Got Talent. The patron self-person minka Jumedie Huan. The other one is on the Google Play Store. Download it. Ghana Got Talent app. Or just type Mickey Nash Boy, MIKKY. Now I pop on Nash. Now the boy na ka. Obe me picture of him. Just boss who keke. They both. Mashi bala bala. Mashi bala bala. Oh yeah, take control. Yeah. Mashi bala bala. Mashi bala bala. Yeah. Mashi bala bala. Oh yeah, take control. All the pain of yesterday, I go forget them tomorrow. That is one thing that they don't know.
It is hard to find a way, but I am proud to just to say so. I will always find a way. Oh, yeah. I won't lie around the way from the pain and all the sorrows, and I couldn't get to stay. Oh yeah, but I got crying for mama sick, and I got music for the pain. Oh, one day I find a way. Yeah, they say I'm good, I get the talent, but I'm not ready for this challenge. Only me for this planet. And I'm scared, I no go lie. What if I never get to blow? What if no one gets to know? Yeah, but I will be fine, I will be fine. I will wear to the rainbows. One day I will see the rainbow. I will be fine, and I will be fine. There is no need to worry for me. I'll be fine. Yeah.
Mickey Nash, boy. Wonderful performance. Am I?
Yes, Mickey Nash, I believe you are feeling fine yourself, right? Yes, it was cool, it was relaxing, you were on point, I like your swag and everything, you did well. I felt it, okay? So keep it up.
Reverend.
Mickey Nash, I can see you have a voice, okay? So keep it up. Thank you.
Okay, so that was Mickey Nash from Accra. If you want to keep him in the competition, vote for him on the Ghana Got Talent application. Download it from Google Play Store and then vote for him. Yetwa jumedi so na yetwa so no na ye call Minister Treasure or yanyemo se so bidowa Samini Batsman and a boy ye yenhye profile.
Ebenezer the ready di maba be Ghana Treasure Marius. Hey Minister Treasure. Maba Ghana Got Talent season 1. Mesremo de mi ya mu vote. Kumasi mine buedi emna ene nempatam take call Google Play Store e wo phone no so. Download the app no Ghana Got Talent app. Ne share Minister Treasure. Ne vote mami. Na vote ya miss me new rambo. De erade de adome no me pu amawawunu. Nya me onhira se obevote ya mami. Me minda we ene me minda bi ahwe ni okumawu Ghana Got Talent. Nya go onhira. Ebenezer the ready di maba be Ghana Treasure Marius. Hey Minister Treasure. Maba Ghana Got Talent season 1. Mesremo de mi ya mu vote. Kumasi mine buedi emna ene nempatam take call Google Play Store e wo phone no so. Download the app no Ghana Got Talent app. Ne share Minister Treasure.
Say we be worry wabano mani wu se wa kube buto onim se wo fili be manua enye na yaka doing se wo ye wusa enye udo inti menye ne sao anyesa se wo be do wa me mani nye lonely. Can I go matoni ya mani nye okay. Kana kreche no minchani tole. Menint na people do they. Trene se wano kunye wu lady. Mono kwanye wu baby. Ooh yeah, yeah. Ooh yeah, yeah. No would up for money, no be. There would up for money, there be. No would up for money, no be. Billy boy, Billy boy. of all, man, who are in the kind of crutch, no, Lobian said nothing right. If you are, it's another mini man in country, and son, I walk away.
That was Minister Treasure. Judges.
Wow. Minister Treasure. And then the way I did last week. What for some meaning you know I wow dear. You've done well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Kakrebi Amide County say when we say you pick somebody's song and make it your own, Samidi doesn't play keyboard when you sing it. But you pick that song, play keyboard with it, making it your own. So you've done well. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was Minister Treasure. And if you want to keep him in the competition, kindly download the Ghana Got Talent application on Google Play Store and then vote for him. Yemreninti, Yabesremo, judges, I had my modern. And now, more from my dream about Kasamaye. Why? Yes, Rema, Madaroma. Inti Yemreninti, Twaso, Yan Chair Hono, Yabefra Mina from Accra, Mina, Yan Shani profile.
Got talent.
Hello viewers, my name is Anna Wodona by Malcolm. Please, I'm in the competition Ghana Got Talent, and you can watch me this Saturday and every Saturday on Kumau TV. And please, you need to go for a review. And to vote for me, you need to download the Ghana Got Talent app from Google Play Store so that you can vote for a review on that. Thank you.
Sugar, Bache, Boko, Sose, Sugar, Bache, Boko. Hey baby, me and my say get somebody. That be why you not get time for me. Every day while you're busy body. They be out of my say, my sister girl with the calendar. My friend want me to get sick, but I don't even know where we did. All that is me. All that me. All that did me and you my wife. All that me. All that is me. All that me. All that did me and you my wife. All that me.
Hey, that was Mina performing Coupe by the late Ebony. Reverend Isaac.
Wow. Oni Mina. Obi wa broche se si a wo hwe me a your friend no sister Aduchumwa o US. O se opewa sempa. And they say sister Aduchumwa e hwe o YouTube o US a. Me na say oda say. O se o ma vote. Why? Eti ene why impress no. Enti why are there? Keep it up, okay? Thank you.
Okay. That was a wonderful performance from Mina. If you want to keep her in the competition, kindly download the Ghana Got Talent application on Google Play Store and then vote as much as you can. Afei ya call Bono Ahafo region. Where are your comedian? Nidin ene Ataje. Ataje. Yen shine profile.
Got talent. Atade ni o Ghana, atade 1, aka Adia Ode, Eshe baby. Ghana for, Abono for, Asante for, all the 4 in this country. Nsromo, eyo kuma Ghana Got Talent 2020. Tumadi na be shase. Saturday we here, by ni Saturday nkaye nyinala. Atade, I am part of the program. Say Tumadi metima kama nyo gyina so. Na ni bibi. Bowra Google Play Store, na download you. Ghana Got Talent app no. O download we say Kim. Atade pe 6 letters. Boshim I'll appear. Nensro, what go to a man fefe. 2020 come out Ghana Got Talent. Atade, I am going to sport there. Got talent. Atade you Ghana.
You want Panama? Chabia, Panama, Panama, Aba, Panama, Chabia, Jambane, Aba.
A round of applause to Ataje. Ataje, all the way from the Blue Ahafo region. Am I?
Yes, Ataje, I believe you are from Bono region. MC Bono region. We don't have Bono Ahafo region any longer. We have Bono region. So Ataje, today I'll call you Sister Ataje. And you did well. You were able to make us laugh without you talking. You didn't say anything, but you made us laugh. That is comedy. You can use your body. You can use anything to make us laugh. You don't depend on only what you say, but what you can do. That is. But next time, breast no susumia.
So that was a wonderful performance from Ataje, the comedian. So pese Ataje encourage media yi mua. File phone no ko Google Play Store na download the Ghana Got Talent application no ne vote mano ne keep no in the competition. Afe ye be call your next contestant ho. Ono nso oye musician. Ashanti region Kumasi ha no free. Nidi any godson. Yan shine profile.
Got talent. Oh, yo, nyamia. When you mafata, oh, bring po nyami. On sanu nyuma yengwa. It's here for Ghost and Capital Enemy Day. Oh, share my life. Oh, Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent Season 1. Yes, we are. Say, Overco Google Play Store. Now I download do. Ghana Got Talent app no ebeba we hu me picture oko gosan na wa search in na wa vote am hwe me dey enemy me da bia e wo Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent Season 1 Yakubu inshira Sure, come on. We are the chosen generation. Call for to show is excellent. Come on. All I require for life, God has given me. I know who I am. Come on, let's take it again. We are the chosen generation. Come on. Call for to show is excellent. All I require for life, God has given me. I know who I am. I know who God says I am. Where He says I am. Where He says I'm at. I know who I am. I know who God says I am. Where He says I am. Where He says I am. I know who I am. Come on. I walk in the power. I walk in the miracle. I live a life of favor. Oh, I know who I am. Oh, I walk in the power. I walk in the miracle. I live a life of favor. I know who I am. Oh, I know who I am. Come on, let's think. Oh, I know who I am. Take a look at me, I'm a wonder. Doesn't matter what you see now. Can you see His glory? I know who I am. Take a look at me, I'm a wonder. Doesn't matter what you see now. Can you see His glory? I know who I am. Come on. I walk in the power. I walk in the miracle. I live a life of favor. Come on. I know who I am. I walk in the power. I walk in the miracle. I live a life of favor. I know who I am. Come on, let's stay. I am holy. I am righteous. So I am so rich. I am beautiful.
God's son. Give it up for God's son. Judges. Erica.
Yeah. Why are there? Why are there, Pana? And I want to manage because I know my 2 years, I know my manager home. Now, what was so? It means a brown water. Sir, Ramson, I know why you talk out to me or that. It's good. Keep on. Thank you.
Okay, so a big applaud for God's son. If you want to keep God's son in the competition, kindly download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store and then vote for God's son. And now our next contestant, his name is Rockstar Junior, and he is performing Confusion by Kwame Eugene. He is from Ashanti region, Kumasi. He is a Bremen boy. Let's watch his profile.
Hello Ghana, I'm Boston K. Brown, but I go by the name Rockstar Junior Associate. Ghana Got Talent Season 1 and I cross you. Raja Tommy Sumu. Baby, so you are the mammy. So far, for now, Google Play Store, one time, the Ghana Got Talent app. The way I say, Ubima, Ubu baby, but keep on selecting Ubumia, Boston K. Brown, and answer Rockstar Junior. Also, the good man, Monsieur. Shame, Ghana Got Talent Season 1. Saturday Beya and Saturday Bia, oh, Kumo TV, Ghana Got Talent. One come and meet me, the embassy my mamma. Rockstar.
Oh, yeah, yeah. They're causing confusion. They are causing confusion. So my baby, forget to my India son. They are trying to separate the love that I'm having for you. But they don't know I'm so into you. Do I realize on top of you? Yeah. I'm burning out warfare, burning out warfare. Oh, oh. They're causing confusion. They are causing confusion. So my baby, forget to my India son. They're causing confusion. They are causing confusion. So my baby, forget to my India son. They're causing confusion. They are causing confusion. So my baby, forget to my India son. When everybody underrates you, my girl, I really appreciate you. You know I can never hate you. High above them all, elevate you. Now go down on top of your mother, 'cause you're baby, baba, baba, they make me day, tire, tire, baby. Now go down on top of your mother, 'cause you're baby, baba, baba, they make me day, tire, tire, baby. Oh, they're causing confusion, they're causing confusion. So my baby, forget my India son. They're causing confusion. They are causing confusion. So my baby, forget my India son. They're causing confusion. They are causing confusion. So my baby, forget my India son. Now go down on top of your mother, 'cause you're baby, rubber, rubber. They make me the tire, tire, baby.
That was Rockstar Junior. Am I?
Rockstar.
Rockstar. Yes, Rockstar Junior. Last week I told you, probably you have the looks of Kwame Eugene. You probably have the swag of Kwame Eugene. But the most important thing about Kwame Eugene is his voice. And you seem not to have the voice. So try so hard to get the voice of Kwame Eugene. But if you want to maintain your voice and sing Kwame Eugene's song and call yourself the rock star, find a way to make it interesting. As soon as we listen, you said, yo, this is your voice. But it's not Kwame Eugene's voice, but it's good. Okay? So now your issue is on the voice, the singing ability. Oh, toa ase uniesi kakra. Last week now uniesi. This week in so uniesi. Mr. Next week ma uniesi. Now say uniesi. Because last week it was the same voice. This week the same voice. Because say uniesi usi and AC. But next week Mr. Kopea keke drone si obinano. Say uniesi ampa. Next week it's elimination.
Thank you, MI. A wonderful performance from Rockstar Junior. Now, Opesa will keep Rockstar Junior or competition anymore. A Google Play Store. O download the Ghana Got Talent application now. Now I vote amano. Do a bet to me a vote be a vote mano. Na onka jumedi emu. Na me kai was say One no more so yasne ameyadi dwumadie yi ebrɛ wo Champion Training Institute. Champion Training Institute or say OPE, biogas, biodigester, car tracking, CCTV installation. Free womo anabra womo kache na womo ebeya mau. Omo number 0244 568 912 0244 568-912. Omo Adeshia Market, Kumase Heya, no more office bako and so ewo pata ase. Eho and Obehu Champion Training Institute. A face to Nakiuski Massage and Wellness Center. Nakiuski Massage and Wellness Center. Or same. So baby yo titi, o baby yo ya usisi ukotoje. Odi abra ni emfa wonto ho ye be massage o. Ye be wadero ni peduano ama wo ho SC wo ho so. Omo number 0242 932 000 0242 932 000. Omonso ewo patas depo ejene ase ekwan no so ufiri omo so a na okọ ambassadors asori no eso afen so enanyuma echegwo nyina eye champion band ena ede ebremo na me so amedi dwumede no chiame no eye kachi kwame bafo ye to dwumede no so ne next contestant no ofiri obo ase ene woye nwum bi Samini ena a boy or say obra ayoko ni dini NKB Music yen profile.
I can face tomorrow. Yeah, Ghana for it's your boy NKB. Ghana Got Talent season 1. Oh, Kumeu TV. Ena mugu mozi. You read the Asha say to be some keep you competition you more. Ubeko Google Play Store not download the app no NKB. Do me picture ewo. She me mean that way. Any me the via ewo Kumeu TV. Ghana Got
O'Brien Kue, I can't believe they are coming Kue. Abanisa, Mama, you want me Pesamico Comusu and Shami Ue. O'Brien Kue, I can't believe they are coming Kue. Abanisa, Mama, you want me Pesamico Comusu and Shami Ue. When my nigga, they prepare for me. Now dream, baby, no be good for my head, oh. Bagaban and the best me. Me a be piano just to cool down my head, oh. Show ni pedai samai, ni pati mi sum tum kami janai. Waka pepa na no rese pita sa woni wine. As one kebi, so on no kwaka de dikai. Mi de mi do ma kwesi, so on mesi dai ne da chi bi mesa me chi ma fi e betina. Me buy na kwesi, on di mi sika na wari buy I get it. Hey, so mi di mi ti bom na the one ne mi yeah. Na the one ne mi yeah. Wine na me don't know wine na me ji ma ti. Send me the mitibu bomb, not the one name, yeah. Not the one name, yeah. Why not? I don't know why. Never do my attitude. Yeah, me di me do my question. So I'm messing down, and that should be messing with you. I'm a fear, my better. If I ain't a question, what do me think? And I worry, buy, I get it. Mine, oh, yeah. Mine, oh, yeah. So we mess it down, that should be messing with you. I'm free, my best now. Buy and I question, what do you think? And I'm buy, I get it. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Am I? Don't cry, don't cry, Nana. Don't cry, don't cry. Oh yeah, don't. Hey, me do my question. So we mess it down. She know the fear my best now. Me buy and I question. What do you think? And I worry buy, I get it. A day my cool.
That was a wonderful performance from NKB Music. And then what's my
NKB. You've done well. Better than last week. But Mr. O, next time I am meant to tell you why. Try to over minimize your voice. Thank you.
Welcome.
A big round of applause to NKB Music. If you want to keep him in the competition, kindly download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store and then vote for him, NKB. The next contestant is Kwame P2, all the way from the Central Region.
Got talent. Hello Ghana for it's your boy Kwame P2 but you watch me live Kumbawu TV. Ghana Got Talent 2020 me patro time aso. O pese me course competition ni mu akọ. Fa phone e call Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent 2020 and season 1 app no. Me patro biem ne bo Kwame P2. Patro spelling in here KUAM I know the P2 now so. Me patro go to mame. Share me. This Saturday, every Saturday, be a Kumbawu TV. The patron, Madam Asna, who is B, Mankame.
Yeah. Ha. Mankame, bro. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Onyami on tonko nonda obedebede nyame no. Oblafo nyame shata nyame bimi nyame. Onyami on ma when is here hiti yeah. Onyame no enti anana di eja. Bedu asida. Meboni senku eja mebo dondo. Onyami on ma me fele Jaja yawanka Kwame P2 bada. Ghana nyame talent nyame na bwatuma nyame. Kwame nyame tete wote nyame onyame yokokroko beji ami yo batampo mebo ni sengu onyame aye bia ma me mebo ni sengu mebo ni dondo onyame aye bia ma me medano medana onyame me yiwa ye I can't forget you oh baba God yeah me hune make yo eja eye wampo Jaja kai me, oh Lord, boy me, my boy me who na no ya me dream shila no my boy me who na no ya me my family who I'm ready near and same near this be my time. My boy me what my shame go. Kwame P2 from me P2 Kwane boko we see doko who this kadia pabo who is kadia jele boys and girls and papi Kwame P2 yankwa Mankame boy from me Kwame P2 Meboni sengu onyame aye bia ma me meboni sengu meboni dondo onyame aye bia ma me meboni dondo sengu hey dondo hey sengu Mankame wa.
That was a wonderful performance from Kwame P2. Am I?
Yes, Kwame P2.
Boss.
Adele the Unjuna P2. Adele PC 22. Kwame P2, I like your style of music.
Thank you.
You can create your own market. Just like Patapaba. He did something, people were not getting it, but who create on one market. Some people, you are not singing or rapping like the normal way we do it in Ghana here. Your style is unique, and I believe you can create your own market, but make it more entertaining.
Thank you.
Okay, make it more entertaining and appealing. Instead, you better be whoever say Kwame P2 ni. Within P2 no cry there.
That's it.
But next time go P3. Why?
Okay, thanks to the judges. So per se. Kwame P2 and Ka can say anymore. Google Play Store ne download the Ghana Got Talent application no or download the anawa vote amano. Do a upebia obetumia vote said ebeya or beka jumeti anymore. Now your next contestant no he's a dancer and he's also from the Central Region. Needing and dance like a bobia. A big round of applause as he enters onto the stage.
Yeah. 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 Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. 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 Ooh.
So that was Dance Like a Bobia. A wonderful performance from Dance Like a Bobia. Now the judges. Am I?
Yes, dance like a bobia. Yes, today you've really danced like a bobia. Last week you didn't dance like a bobia. As for today, and I like the concept. You created a concept on Black Lives Matter. You came like a black man. You came like a black man being punished, and you came. You had a small issue. The issue is there. Transition from time I hear bono, I call the main dance. No, it was too sharp. So next time, so baby, bisa. But in all, it's very nice. You've really done well. Today, you've really danced like a bobia. All the best.
Okay, so that was Dance Like a Bobia. If you want to keep him in the competition, kindly take your phones, go to the Google Play Store, and download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote for him. Ansana yebetwa sono, yebecha ye hokakra aje aboafo enkrato na yeba yebetwa dwumedie no eso. Ghana Got Talent 2020. So wo hyɛ me a ɛyɛ Kumawu TV ɛna wo hyɛ me efiri na sɛ wo phone so na wo hyɛ me a mɛgye sɛ ɛyɛ Sam Dakus TV anaasɛ Ghana Got Talent ɛwɔ YouTube so ɛna wo hyɛ me anaasɛ ɛyɛ Facebook Kumawu TV ana Ghana Got Talent ye page no so ɛna wo hyɛ me ɛwɔ ɛso no nti ɛnɛ sɛ de dwumadie no ɛteɛ no yanante ɔman yi mu afa na baabi a adoma kyɛde Nyankopɔn de aduadua yɛ mu no ɛno na ɛnɛ yɛ exhibit nti without much ado no yɛnkɔ yɛ next contestant ne din ɛne Ɔhema Esther na ɔyɛ kwabena nnwom a wato din sɛ Dadia no ma.
Mede odon fonyato me kokoso me niswe yirmi oh my feodo yeah enti odon kaise ojane dofu a baby you enfie me sana bay anina munso crampo abomi kaise body no be firewood Kabedi min China sape mame mfani semfie mianza na rewo bekumi ye mitu meni entobi enimo mini obi ya jesewa ode ya na bro na mafiwo ye be famiko Dadia no me yeah oh Dadia no me yeah be famiko do yeah Dadia no me ni make wao wanokata makade motaka madada kaode shadala omeliode shonye makuna walo hafina pabe walolo ewomela shonye makuna walo hafina pabe walolo ewomela never buada never kumlo lama yenye lolovo never buada never kumlo ma yenye lolovo na mafiwo ogo yewe mafiwo meko kete suwa medendo meko kete suwa medendo enti dabe na obebe ogo yewe mafiwo ye mafiwo bro ogo yewe mafiwo enti dabe na obebe ogo yewe mafiwo ye mafiwo bro ogo yewe mafiwo zobiri beya manamie
A wonderful performance from Ɔhema Esther, all the way from Koforidua. Erica.
Okay. Yeah. Ɔhema Esther, a very good performance. Thank you. Why are they? Now, Kakra, I can say, buy key, yeah, checking keys in the year because as a
A big applause for Ohima Esther. Ohima Esther. If you want to keep her in the competition, kindly take your phones, go to the Google Play Store, and then download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote for her. The next contestant, he's from the Ashanti region, Kumasi. He's performing Speed Up by Famille, and his name is Spanky. Let's watch his profile.
Got talent. Yeah, minimum that some Jimmy D, Yana Mebeda, when you are to them, Spanky. Rap na me teacher when I be who he tina dana with them and I'm saying comedy. My arm strong and but sir, this is your boy Spanky. Call me Rap Panther. You are watching me live on Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent. So I person me ka jumadi ima. And once say over Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent app. DM ube me picture. Just click on it. Vote for me. Share me live this and every Saturday on Kumawu TV Ghana Got Talent. Yeah. It's Monkey on the air by Kwame Rap Panther. Ah. Yeah. Oh. Listen. Nobody fi show me how I live my life. Yeah. Oh. Street in a show man a sharp like knife. Yeah. Cause I think far when money come my way. Stay forever, never fade away. Babylon phone to me move my bim. Ground to the top did a day. My speedy upset from Ponko be no chale time no day. And if I want a painting my speedy time no day. Your tree aside the beyond so my speedy time no day. And if I want a painting my speedy time no day. But the Lord give me favor. Me want airtime, give me data. Bonsa me make a saba me theater. Every day man I hustle for the paper. Yeah, I still do my thing. We'll be on your Jimmy on a new way to sing. They don't penny whiskey and I'm a penny jane. And for me, quite rubbish and go send me ding. Yeah, I see the house of Pongo be no chale time no day. Yeah, and if I want a painting, me speedy time no day. Yeah, a tree aside the beyond so me speedy time no day. Yeah, and if I want a painting, me speedy time no day. But the Lord give me favor. Me want airtime, give me data. Bonsa me make a saba me theater. Every day man I hustle for the paper. Yeah, come me Rap Panther. Yeah, because Yamasa. Father Lord give me favor. Me want airtime, give me data. Should I be say see and then later? Everybody know we all run for the paper. Kumasi to voter. Abrabona shall see an airtime. But October so when you man okro. We need be a new Bianca Wadding, and then Yamishra one for fucking Casa Uyadulo. Never give up, go, you will climb lofty. It be you great people they talk about mostly. Some they talk good, some they talk bad, but in our past, I'm a God Almighty. Yeah. Sometimes I wanna live lavish, so taking me out of poor, don't be selfish. Living well and worthy is my wishes. In this world, fear God, don't fear riches. Call me Rap Panther, me call Yamasaba, yeah. Let's see the absent from Ponko be no chale time no day. Hey, and if I want a painting, me speedy time no day. Hey, you tree aside the beyond so me speedy time no day. But the Lord give me favor. Me want airtime, give me paper. Bonsale make a saba me theater. Every day man I hustle for the paper. Yeah, I see they do my thing. Obi and yeah, Jimmy on you are with the sin. Now penny whiskey and I'm a managing. If I'm a quite rubbish and then was everything. Give it up for Spanky, Rap Hunter. Judges, Reverend. Father.
Spanky.
Father.
Why are there? But I never tell points me, you know. Madu Kundra.
Bacho Devi.
O pants na de chere no. Swag no ya no aswagi why?
Bacho.
Next time no be na stage a. Me ma pants into tell us because I'm crown so hwe wasua.
Bacho.
Why?
It's
a mishra but for that no dear why are there? O pants no kwane tell mass. But yes idea for me no dear why are there? It's mati 2 pen every so amawo. I mean shra.
Medasi. Okay, thanks to Reverend for the advice. If you want to keep Spanky in the competition, kindly take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote for Spanky to keep him in the competition. The next contestant, he is a voice trumpeter all the way from Accra. His name is Xavier. Let's watch his profile.
Hallelujah.
Judges, Nana Botma.
Yeah, voice trumpeter. Why are there? Name no free gospel no kakra. Pick challenging songs and music. Why? Na ye who send a trumpet in a beppo. Why? Last week saw ye is gospel, right? And now this week why gospel? Into pick another one. Why? Okay, thank you.
But the American said, oh, you were very good to me. Because Obi Bawa Kohan will be a about trumpet. I begin to show the now. We won't do that. We young we still can't go for be about trumpet. So much so then some got trumpet in Shanano. I bring a midi be a show minimum dada. You are best.
Thank you.
So what I say, it's here. Keep it up, okay? I mean, Shanaku.
Okay, give it up for Savior, the voice trumpeter. So open says Savior and catch media anymore. Ofa phone na no Google Play Store. No download the Ghana Got Talent application. No, ube to me avoti amano ewo. Near next contestant no. Oyo no ankasa nyom awa to this coronavirus. Eye stickally music. Eye kumase and our free. Yen shani profile.
Got talent.
The boy stickally on the MIC. Many day, man, right. Ghana Got Talent to Medina Barcelona. May force us in here, can it cheat and never for me? They will soon on side them sign rapid. Say when you that. Shall me mean that way. Enemy mean that Biara, it will come out with Ghana Got Talent. The strawberry market Medina Graphic Store is short down with the Ghana Got Talent app. Statistically, and one STICELLY. Yet then vote, slow vote was my Diablo, Ashanti mine with us.
Got talent.
Your boys, your boys.
boy Stickally. Oh, Eradi. Hey, Semo. Betty Hona Minya call from China, Madame Fubia, a friend in Lazarus. What he was soon was a real corona the virus. A boom or mine for no oko baby be a baby atuni suni and dajo. But me to see a Riena Bagana, Began and Yamiani and Dino. Let me press a make a cousin and say, Ghana, Yeniobia. Yes, a Ghana, I'm in mind, yes, a radio, one a dime. Let me press a make a cousin and say, who want what you be? Yes, a Ghana, I'm in mind, yes, a radio, one a dime. Was China pointing me and Swano, Ghana, Nimuya, and a pano. A young passay, a real be a Bagana, and Chedokumi, a Saint Cranny. Was Ghana poor ventilation, classroom more than incubation, marketplace, even transportation, Unyahunin Pono wire installation. Ghana poor sanitation, more church, more congregation. Ghana be behind in free saying, I may ring a consideration. Let me press a make a singing and say, Ghana, Yeniobia. Yes, a Ghana, I'm in mind, yes, a radio, and I die. Let me press a make a singing and say, Yahoo, what you be a Ghana. Yes, a Ghana, I'm in mind, yes, a radio, and I die. Patch paying for say. I say me here no, you can't treat your bluffo. Me so say baby I don't be a me who knows max. And go to the good form. And sad and sayem. Baby I didn't be a show nose max. But your show nose max. Me so say I have a over one star. You won't feel it pardon. Never wanna gan me ko entia coronavirus. Madam Wasi.
An educative performance from Stickally Music. Am I?
Yes, Stickally. Stickally, you know you are my boy. And last week you nearly disappointed me. But thank God this week you've been able to pick up. Your message is strong. It's true, Ghana poor sanitation. The church is more congregation. Yeah, better ni ani nyankopon. Yeah, danya menso ni no smart. Yeah, inside bell running others no. They are very good. So it's okay. You've done well. I believe say you put in more punch. Okay.
Thanks. A round of applause to Stickally for his performance. And as in his music, as he was saying, if you are at home, I would urge that we all adhere to the safety protocols given by the World Health Organization and then protect ourselves from the COVID-19, which is real. Inti ya tsoju media no so. Inti nipa na obeto aso no oye poet Accra and our free ni din any AD Shine and our kan sam kakra afa okonfo anoche ho yen hwe ni profile.
Got talent. Ghana Got Talent 2020. I was some person who keep him or competition way more. Who call Google Play Store. Now who download the Ghana Got Talent app. Now patch mo go to man Muslim. Nti to me here for to liberty industry. Okay. Ni Jansi hini a omo nungwa. Ni Pentecost sorry. Thomas Nako Temple. Pentecost sorry bia. Patch mo share me Saturday when Saturday bia. E wo kuma TV. Ghana Got Talent 2020. Madam
Got talent.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Panel of judges, distinguished guests, known and unknown people. Tonight is the story of our great Ashanti priest, Okonfo Anoche. Okonfo Anoche was born on the 16th at Ewukugwa Ekuapem. History has it that his parents came from Ewukugwa in the eastern region. Okonfo Anoche was originally called Kwame Frimpong Manso Anoche. He was a great fetish priest in Asante during the reign of Nana Osei Tutu I. He was introduced to Nana Osei Tutu I by a maternal uncle. Okonfo Anoche was originally known as Kwame Yeboah. He became the great fetish priest. From the sky, and also commanded the golden stool from the skies in the presence of the Ashanti Traditional Council at the Deba held at Kumasi. The golden stool was called Sika Egwa Kofi. In his last breath, he told his nephew, that was Nana Siao, that he was going to bring the key to death, and no one should play drum or cry after he doesn't come on the 7th day. And on his way home, he saw them playing drum afar, and he disappeared. To know more about our leaders, please vote for me to keep me in the competition. Thank you.
A wonderful poem from A.D. Shine. Am I?
Yes, A.D. Shine. Yes, thank you. You tried giving us a history of Konfanache, and I'll say you've done well at this level, but next time, do better research, get better information to give us something about Konfanache. You said Ashanti, he's an Ashanti. No, we don't have anybody called Ashanti. Ashanti is a region. So when you are talking about somebody, he's an Ashanti, he's not an Ashanti, he's an Ashanti. And we normally use this word fetish priest. He's a traditional priest. He wasn't fetish. He's a traditional priest. So let's research some of the words in your fault to make us feel inferior and bad. But going forward, I will say a mom who say, Brofu no modemaye and yeshinya brofu ne hu brofu no. This a brofu no nya best sano. The correct one, Ashawo. The next time, do more of research. And then me catch you say poetry. Who painting words? You are painting a picture to us. But all the words and a painting, how you modulate your voice, your punches, never me. Yes, I all kind of trust. I said the pipe if you're gonna buy your okay. I will say yes, a cost from a bathroom so that we get the picture. Okay, why are they? But next time, research more. Why?
Thanks to MI and a wonderful performance from AD Shine again. Yeah, so Jumedian so. So I say AD Shine and Kajumedian moi. Said the mechanic no file phone now. Now call Google Play Store. No I download the application no. Now I vote see Amanon. Your next contestant no or your rapper. Dodo na friend the next rap king. Nidi any Paul G. Yanshan the proof.
Got talent.
We are boy Paul G. No, I didn't in the building. The next rap king or Ghana. Mr. said the opposite with you know Paul G rap no. If you know since you, Mr. Mo, we Ghana got talent. You made you know an ashas, you know. If Mr. competition no make a match, you vote and the mamma came. Until the way I say, we call a Google Play Store. Now I go down with the Ghana got talent app no. Now I should in a Paul G. Now I vote your man. Me that's.
Got talent.
We are boy Paul G. No, I didn't in the building. The next rap king.
I'm a fan boy and come to catch you see me feel you. I won't feel me saying. I know that they team me. Yonko. Yeah. Got up for major one days. Spouchy in the building. See. I'm going to be at to come up pain. No what the Wabella Bodi Yagodo. Major would the Fenimo Muton chain. So what boy and Nina Toro. And the Waboa come and Mugalang pine to Buno pet. Now with the Masha was time. One more to do the Busan 10 times. You're drinking with the Beijing campaign. With the better me with a high jump fan boy. Make it a good with a bike pump. But the Mudi Yamana Mia stop to me on the cover number. The Mutis I bonnet to metal when I'm up with the mechanical better with the Major Mana showing ya damn the Bayo with the bit on the mess of Yasia Metal young from Subatam Pan with the better. Spouchy in the building. What up, Mumia one days? What's the major better prison? That's how they get them Baba Pampers. So me show Subanamania. Ayana me Bugafu. Nemo Musida Muako, no, me whom I am Kumako, for the Sibanku, some of you that don't go to set my motor way, who we need to Jacoya to set my faint. I love you, I will never let you go away, I don't put them into me, for I never disobeyed. We are the country at the moving after nothing. As I said, I for Gaba, this is Sahoma, a dinner, so we are here. Where you go, Mugoba, why no open, nobody can move me, Namina, Namadanka, we will not never charge me, Bubomu in Inti, Namasame Pema, no lie. Starting at the need to test them with the friends of our rice. We know when imagine a food of words from a punchline. A woman so good the ideas in the button is so nice. We dog here producing me as a jet, I got twice. Me dying now, God strike me tender. Tell all my aims for under. Don't let me see myself as a rapper. Let me down and never be the master. I will take care of words to my pastor. Stack best, I go find Mr. Podesta. To me, Jai no go be able to move. To me, who don't know, I shall see it. Yes, I don't talk. I don't do Raja. One can and me Tiakoma. For the king of bomb, my yes, that don't come in the minute, me no Sabaka. Me coming home, I do go China. Me young Kamasa, me home. So don't need the machine. Me, I think I'll be the king. Find Tini Basamako, I don't try. So what's my media make a fast than Esther Samsung? Me boy, my day, me a card dragger and got to them all. No go been put the gas me on the rough. Pastor who do you just confirm from my boss? If you do at the doctor, me grindings. KMA, for my license. Maybe some me take it over for the other friends. Let me your opportunities in the Andes. So me yes, what me copy that kids cost. Now news you can never meet your fees. They are coming to me, never care about the chia and mommy. Even when I go without feet, can you don't know me damn? People see a product I come. Let me see me yes, because something baby, I'm not going to be a family. What else? OG in the building. What up, Mumia one desk? Or try me up at the prison. Yes, I get them power of bumpers.
Thanks, Paul G. Judges. Erica.
Okay. Paul G. And then many of your performance in the hopa.
Okay.
You're better than last week. Okay. You've done well. You are seriously on point. When you now what to turn a camera. And you say, oh, when him dear, oh, you better for sway you, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so thanks to the judges, Paul G. You can wait for us backstage. If you want to keep Paul G in the competition, take your phones and download the Ghana Got Talent application and then vote for him to keep him in the competition. The next contestant is Faith. His name is Faith. Let's watch his profile.
Got talent.
Hello, Ghana. The friend is on Amako. Looking with it. But all that Raja said, and then you can come on. Ghana Got Talent. Now, we can share with it. Open Google Play Store. Now, download Ghana Got Talent app now. Go click this one. Journey Faith. Vote on it. That was our vote. Show me that we are now within you. John Amakwe, aka Faith. Faith, capital F-A-I-T-H. Faith.
Got talent.
Hello, Ghana. The friend is on Amako. Looking with it. But all that Raja said, and then you can come on. Ghana Got Talent. Now, we can share with it. Open Google Play Store. Now, download Ghana Got Talent app now. Go click this one. Journey Faith. Vote on it. That was our vote.
Ono ni Sarah Shirai no Epumbi mu Shirai Fefebie Oyana Pansoma Oshrai Okwai no Kwari Enikwa Ono ni Sitini Fiti Asieno Epo Yano Mamenum Sensitini Dia Esiara Lenwe arada. Onu ni resi ni nai. Oh sorry edi ekwa. Yesu ya ma bonifuo. Osaya wumi di ma brefuo. Sadamfo awawafo yi. Otu ni sadi freye se. Yembla bedidi. Ewo ni punusu. Osi yembedi. Na wodi nubi. Medonwe. 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 Is the light of the world. The resurrection and life. Is salvation for the sinful. And the rest for the weary. Such a wonderful man. He has called us to be his friend. To come in with him. To partake of his strength. We will love him. We will love him. We will love him. We will love him. Mesirano. Namatuno. Meyi dinaya. Kosiria seweye. Madonu midi mikira. Yewomi munina.
Thanks to Faith Power for a wonderful, power-filled ministration. Judges, Reverend.
Okay. Faith Power. Last week, over Ebeye acrobatics, but and then no. Oh, right, my man who said, and yet, and on corner to me, you to miss up or organize our children. Keep it up. I say, I don't much idea go hold. But now, no, oh, me different kind of talent that you have. I mean, shrub. Now, Miss Senya, I say, one more, no behind. The co anymore. You are best.
Okay, Opesa Uma Faith Power. Eka Jumedie no emua. Ofa o phone now ko Google Play Store now download the Ghana Got Talent application na. No wa vote amano ewo ho. Na ye toasoa na eye insura oba besa amayen. Inti yenhwe ne profile.
Got talent.
Amateur Danish. Who are one talent? You might get the amateur meaning that you get one. Show me community. Ghana one talent. Nothing to mess with me. It's a mechanical. So we go to Mama. I'll go Play Store. The dollar is Ghana one talent. Don't dollar. Take a issue. I'm go to
Got talent.
Judges, am I?
Yes, Insura. Insura is raining on you. So, Sika Togu. So, we are no as a Sawaya dear. Yehun Kolase, or more boy, a mamra hobaya. Efe. You'll penny for me, Briocasa, Momesa, Omuntimisa. Last week, Osa Adoa, and ne was Sakiti. In him say, you queen him no, over my Agana as our hodo, drama no, we nya set no, but the omo boy no to me at the side. Why are dear why? Coso and a coso. But of course, it's so sick and why? Nina, oh dear. Why are dear?
A wonderful performance from the kid in Shira. If you want to keep her in the competition, kindly download the Ghana Got Talent application on the Google Play Store and then vote her name on the application. Now the next contestant, they are magicians and they are from the Ashanti region, Kumasi. Let's watch their profile, Young Black Magic.
Got talent. And you're Young Black Magic. Ghana Got Talent. So near. So audition who this year. It is up as a Kamucha. File phone. Go Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent app. Who don't download your BM? Who BM1? But Young Black Magic. And one what will tell me.
But Tomoshe Saturday we Saturday via Kumau TV Ghana Got Talent. Never you.
And you're Young Black Magic. Ghana Got Talent. So near. So audition who this year. It is up as a Kamucha. File phone. Go Google Play Store. Download the Ghana Got Talent app. Who don't download your BM?
Real magic is. na monko money more because there are so many people are eshemo for near more you know. Your debut I'm over for last week more for it was very interesting and then Sumasa for. But I just want to tell you people say keep challenging yourself because others are watching from outside. You have so many magicians, so many but you are here now to demonstrate your magician power to people. It's a mess say why? Keep it up. You did well.
Okay. So that was Magic from Young Black Magic. If you want to keep them in the competition, take your phones, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote as much as you can to keep them in the competition. And now, last but one contestant. If you know so, na last one aba. You better on Safre Flex. Ono so Kumase and I will free. Yen share the profile.
Got talent. Drop me for Junction, now the bag you. A party, life no be game like Super Beto. Work hard and double. A Yamunia Flex near Ghana Got Talent, you may be in your worship. Two busy with Gina Mucha, a App Store, and now Google Play Store. Opa Ghana Got Talent app on you should be doing Flex, F to the L to the E to the X. Ghana Got Talent. Can remember that enemy in the dia Kumewu Ghana Got Talent, the best. Got talent. Drop.
Mene me da force de moi, ye hon sa diem poisson, sana diem poisson. Ye dem pema ye tin komo, ye twin ye hon. Am ye hon sa diem poisson, sana diem poisson. You be my dream come true, you know be perfect too. But if the day with me when I take for you, we gon' make come true. You be my dream come true, it'll be perfect too. But if the day with me when I take for you, we gon' make come true. I know they won't make you go, won't make you stay. Stay in bed watching your pretty face, baby girl. I be selfish with you. Girl, I be selfish with you. No, they won't make you go, won't make you stay. Fall in love watching your pretty face, baby girl. I be selfish with you. Yeah. Me ne me da force de moi, ye hon sa diem poisson, sana diem poisson. You be my dream come true, you know be perfect too. But you there with me when I take for you, we gon' make come true. I know they won't make you go, won't make you stay. Stay in bed watching your pretty face, baby girl. I be selfish with you. Girl, I be selfish with you.
A wonderful performance from Flex. When's the last time you be house? Say Bibi Aboko. Oh yeah. Yeah, the radiasi. Judges, Reverend.
Oba one crefio. Hey, do be si wo kwan so ana. Ana nante so. Okay, I'm so honest me so. She, my make us some chiro. Competition pa na wo mu no. Mood a wo mu no obi a ne ene ka to re ketu ayi asenyom. Mood na wo mu no ho. Katu ayi asenyom ke beboa wo. We are selfish obi a wo be se be enjoy nyom no. Wo say ataka say selfish. When I am selfish o because wo no am enjoy nyom no. Ade asemato. Nyami hu mobo.
Okay, that's a prayer from Reverend. Please, you can wait for us backstage. Keep it up next time. If you want to keep flex in the competition, kindly take your phones, go to the Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and vote for him. So what you see, we're a stage fright. Yeah, stage fright. Be fine. And now for our last contestant, his name is Tom Desty. Yenshani profile.
Got talent. I beat and one me free baby, no matter if you won't come. We got to an yourself for a case. Ghana Rabimu Sam, you bent to one. We didn't Tom Desty, the mastermind. Somebody I say, Ghana got talent. You made the Nana Yasha see. Some of the same beginner much and I will bring some money. Some of them free the Munsua. For more than Google Play Store, download the Ghana got talent app. We are no more we won't Tom Desty. Somebody I say, hey, no more good to it. I'm a winning set with this year, the minimum with the water. Women that way, and women that be an ocean. Go to the Ghana got talent here at Mastermind. Yeah. Yeah. Mastermind. Destiny, me sorry stand down up. Me kwati yesi Arabia ba. Ya Arabia si corona virus to onu ya me da menda. Awurade na de na ebe. Ejo nya me yetwe woni behwe wachi. Mposa kroto wa me so na se me bo wampa obi ti o se menya bi. Nti ma horo me nsa me nkia obi. Obi a me mokoko so aduro me fa glove so ncha me nsa na mabonten. Ma hwa so me si ahwe obenten. Ya we de ejo ano oden. Yesi Ghana upese obenya bi akonu ya. Ene yaje wa wensa den doctors fight. Asofo abompa ya ma akonfo so kanche. Ahemfo anante anante. Ghana, I'm a Ghana, me yam sisemi ya na ewia sisa ya aba. Ye no obi eno ane ya denkwa. De obi ahwe ase no obebre kwa. Corona, de obi bia esi ya ga yarefu we de yesi de na wotena. Besi entina Ghana. Entina Ghana. Besi entina Ghana, de wase ya betina no obeti amama yam. Ah, besi entina Ghana. Entina Ghana. Besi entina Ghana, de wase ya betina no obeti amama yam. Hey, besi entina Ghana. Entina Ghana. Besi entina Ghana, de wase ya betina no obeti amama yam. Hey, Kwame Nyade, Kofi Nyade, Amade Bobo, Yade Yakon, o mampanyina to school. Osinya abotere tele fie hwebukum. Wo de ayem pena hwea no ani kum kokum. Asami mi nyameka. Ya ton sori mo to tunyu bi eni papi do so trotro ye adwuma. Masaja ye benya ke nya bi da do bi antini sika mfanto sanitizer. Nyame na na boye, ono ane hweye. Bonsam ye de kura wontumi ye bi before man ya do de ho abesi ne esi ba ya anche no wate ada. Ibola beni ni yehu di afa. Diarrhea gonorrhea. Eno de ye de kura Ghana ya de afa. Mesi entina Ghana. Entina Ghana. Mesi entina Ghana. De wase ya betina no betia mama yam. Hey, Mesi entina Ghana. Ah, entina Ghana. Mesi entina Ghana. De wase ya betina no betia mama yam. Ghana ebi ni adwempa ya rewe ba samudwi nipa ho sanitizers kamo beti so ma yekwa ofa bronya ho na mo we kokoko onye sikasa de ekwa na beda ne yaja China ni US ko mpo nya no aduro onua na agove heba ene Ghana ma ye time aba nyame amamudi owo na eba nenso nananom aka ntama di sie se ya rewe entina Ghana etu onua sa wodada udi hu pidi ya ne ubenya yiwaji free so ne bompa dan so ma be shine ne ama bibia ye kama ah onua makia de ebi asa afi Ghana so fu bo ma hye nkoma fa wana ade enti hey jai ebia no mrefu obi na ebewu akoma ka esi ni dachi da bi Ghana enkroma Ghana da country obi anya ne freedom ama de ope bia na wo ka kum chacha ah ya rewe ya no ohio de doctors beke bia ya yo eche wo obo wa moja nko busua ni wo bi ma so kura na usuro besi entina Ghana entina Ghana besi entina Ghana de wase ya betina no be chia mama yam hey besi entina Ghana
Tom Desty Nana Botsma
Tom Desty wow rap mo King Kong why are there why mama refi there akwane ye no why me that's it.
Okay, if you want to keep Tom Desty in the competition, kindly take your phones, go to the Google Play Store, download the Ghana Got Talent application, and then vote as much as you can for him. Na onka jumedie no emo. Na contestants ni yewie. Judges, yebeja mamo. Enne performance no. Yemfa first week ne second week income mum. Na yen summarize and yen share. Say ni yehu NFI. Am I?
Yes, Medase, looking at this week's performances, it's far better than what we experienced last week, Last week, like I said, it was their first time, so people were anxious. But going forward, the amount who say in Ibrahim, still it been the honam to the corner, so but me did say you queen him, they will pick up. Averagely, they all did well.
Okay.
In fact, it's not easy rapping and performing with a live band.
Yeah.
Normally people mind, but these guys just came in with live band. They did it very well. Those who were dancing did it very well. We will do better things. Yes. So today it has been good.
Okay.
Nana Boatsma. Okay. And they are better than last week. Okay. We compare net to last week now. Yes, last week they nine year fire. But I never who saw more performance near very high. And yes, from so one twice no my ninja.
Reverend.
Okay. Yada almost say now yada ya boa France was say. Last week in the America said, my idea. Ne momuno say who vote next week, you know, we fee. It you know, one man one more vote because me share me use for Hano dear. And then me who say my impressive with very good a chain last week. Name me hanya me adom next week dey be see. So mo kwada no
ye nim say ye koye nim no so umbekọ so a etumpom. Eti say obi awo ni so ade hu obi awo ne ade awo hwehwe. Ti nim say no be hye wo mo kran kese ama mo tumi aye ne ese fata. If you say we you say your talent will be discovered. Enti the American say you betumi on earth talent yeah ewo. Thank you.
Thanks to the judges for the wonderful comments. Now, me Kai will say, Jumedi Ghana Got Talent 2020, and a second week. Now, Abuafwa Esoy and Asane Emayedi Jumedi Ebrewo, a Champion Training Institute. Champion Training Institute, or say, so per biogas, biodigester, car tracking, and as a CCTV installation, Brawonuma Kachi. Now, Ubenya Wonum Ewoho, Omo number Ube from Obenya or more also a 0244 568 912 0244 568 912 or more at the share market Kumasi ha no more office bako and so our patase a so na Kiuski Massage and Wellness Center na Kiuski Massage and Wellness Center or say Okoto Jena ya wusisi na ya wapom na yo titiriti ya wode bra ye de woto fom ne massage o ye de yensa efefa wo ho saa ama wapom esisi wo ho so omo se omo wo patase depot Ejuniasi Road ufri omo so a na wo call Ambassadors Church eso omo number 0242 932 000 0242 932 000 afei so enne enyuma etwagu ye nyina omo taye kire omo bonchene ebo organi ade nyina no eye champion band omo na enne nwumre omo aboa yen amadwumedie no aye successful afei ye media partners o hwa ya eye Kumawu TV o se ya ye die mo na afei so Bright TV stay joyful say when to me ahwe no TV so aminim say ohwe no wo phone so eye Sam Dakus TV na ewo YouTube na Ghana Got Talent so ewo YouTube near social media platforms no so so eye Kumawu TV ye twa ye ho aba na ye ba ye beto aso time Emma Wakwa Bio at the Ghana Got Talent 2020 maiden edition no eso na ye try ya ho na ye ba ye no ye judges ne keka wonum tiribo mu no mo share ene performance ni nyina no omo yi best performer of tonight inti omo so mu kra achede a omo de ema no na best performer no ene ekoma king of beats the ordinary no ye kokwen aha king of beats oni inti judges say and then you mray wafa best performer they say no more by nyina no that say aha inti okay any king of beats answer na be kon best performer no ho fakakra to ase ma yansa na wako that is That was King of Beats, the best performer for tonight. Na sadia mekaya no, ene judges a omotsna akunya mu na womo eboa yen ewo ye dwumadie yi mu eye Erica Frimpong, Champion Training Institute for Director. Ono owaha afei so Mustafa Isa Zerba. Ono so ene ye head of performing department or cultural center. Ono so waha Nana Boatema na Kiyuski Massage and Wellness Center omo CEO owaha ena Reverend Dr. Isaac Esumedu ono so ewo yentem ewaha me amedi dwumade yi mu chia me media ne ka chire kwa me bafo dia opam atade hye me amaluku nice eye backloading oko Facebook ni Instagram eye backloading me fasa akwanya we so na ma chia boasefo nyina me maame ekua jemfo a Angela Adomako Boachi Senior. Any Simon Sebusua nyina mechiam enenwumi House of Charisma. Nyame hia mo semunya adaje na mo hye Ghana fo nyina yedamase. Yes, Ghana Got Talent 2020. Your talent will be discovered. That's ene yebesan ehia.
Jimmy Shim na mi bobiri obai hu apa anopani hucha na no ne kasa de krane kumi obai be kumi una sumimu matia shidom oh ni dom we de pa no penny na